Here's a 2018 GMC Yukon XL. Kids, cargo, groups, gear. You can carry it all with this Yukon. To complement the utility of this full-size SUV, GMC designed a remarkably quiet cabin filled with premium materials and put it all in a boldly designed exterior. The V8 engine has the horsepower and torque to handle any towing you need to do. You'll love the remote vehicle start, front and rear parking assist, as well as the tri-zone climate control and color touchscreen media display. Well built, well liked, and well up to the task. This Yukon XL is ready for a test drive today. It's a 2018 GMC Yukon XL. Capability has a way of smoothing things out, and this Yukon has the smooth ride to complement its capability. While you're behind the wheel of the V8 engine, you'll love the color touchscreen media display and built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, the front and rear parking assist and rear vision camera, and most of all, the ability to accommodate everyone and their cargo. It also comes with tri-zone climate control and remote vehicle start for everyone's comfort. The best ability for your next vehicle is capability. Come get it in this Yukon XL.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.